Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to create virtual env on your Windows 10 PC. For installing virtual env, I will be showing you two ways to create env. First way is using command prompt and the second way is using Visual Studio Code. So before installing the virtual env, you have to first make sure that Python 3 is installed on your system. So let's get started. First open command prompt and then type the command py -m pip install -stats user virtual env. If it is not installed, it will take time. In my case, I have already installed the virtual env. Now close it. Now suppose you want to create a project, then first you have to make a folder. I will be making on my desktop. Right click, new, and then folder. Name folder my env. Now again open the command prompt. Go to your desktop and then my env, cd desktop, and then my env. Now we can install the env in this folder by the command py -m venue. Now you can name anything. I will be naming my virtual env as my env. Hit enter. It will take some time to install the files. As you can see, some files are created here. A folder with my name is created because we have given the name as my env. Okay, now it is installed. We can now work on my env virtual env. So to activate the virtual env, you have to write / and then your env folder name. In my case it is my env. Now then script and then activate. Hit enter. Now you are in your virtual env. Here you can see that my env is there. Now suppose you want to see what are the packages that are installed on your virtual env. You can see that by the command pip freeze. Okay, no packages are installed right now. So we will install pandas by the command pip install pandas. Install it. Okay, now pandas installed in my env. To check it, write the command pip freeze. Hit enter. As you can see, pandas is installed now. With pandas, numpy and some packages are also installed. Okay, this is it for. Okay, one more thing. To deactivate the env, you can simply write deactivate. Okay, now you are out of your env path. To again go to the env, you can write this command again. Now again you are in your env. Okay, now close it. First deactivate it. Now close it. Now I will be showing you how to create the same virtual env with using your Visual Studio Code. So first you have to make a folder. For that, right click and then new folder, name it my new folder, hit enter. Now open Visual Studio Code. Open folder. Now go to your desktop and then my new folder, select folder. Now open your terminal. Now here you can write the same command to install the virtual env as we have written earlier. So the command to install the env is py -m venv, and I will name the env as new env. Hit enter. As you can see, a folder is created where you can find some folders and of some files. We will be working on this script file. So to activate the environment, you have to simply write dot slash your env name, that is new env, and then script and then activate. Now the env is activated. Now I will be showing you how to install the pandas. The same command, pip install pandas. Okay, pandas are installed now. We can see this by the command pip freeze. Here you can see that some packages are installed with pandas. To deactivate the environment, you can simply write deactivate. To again activate the env, you can simply write dot backslash your env name, that is new env, and then script and then activate. Here you can see that again it is activated now. Here you can work and create your project, and there will be no relation between your system and this virtual env. It is totally different with your system packages. Thank you for watching the video.